Are you facing the iPhone not charging issue after updating to iOS 26.3, 4, 5 or later updates? Does your iPhone recognize the charger but the battery percentage stays stuck or charging extremely slowly? Well, you are definitely not alone. Many users have reported charging issue after iOS 26 updates. Thankfully, there are several easy fixes that usually solve the problem within minutes. Let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. Firstly, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button and keep holding it. Don't release the button even if you see the power off slider. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once your iPhone restarts, connect your charger again and check whether the issue has been fixed. Solution 2. Inspect and clean the charging port. Unplug the charging cable. Now carefully inspect the charging port using a flashlight. If you notice dust or lint inside the port, gently remove it using a soft brush or a wooden toothpick. Avoid using metal objects because they may damage the charging pins. Reconnect the charger. Check if your iPhone starts charging normally. Solution 3. Disable charging optimization. Open the settings app, scroll down and tap battery. Next, tap charging. Now turn off optimized battery charging. Also disable clean energy charging. Then reconnect your charger and see if charging performance improves. Solution 4. Most important solution. Reset all settings. This method has fixed charging issues for many users in running iOS 26. Open the settings app, tap general, scroll all the way down and select transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset, then tap reset all settings. Enter your passcode, finally tap reset settings again to confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, videos, apps or personal data. It only resets system settings and Wi-Fi passwords. Solution 5. Install the latest iOS update. Open settings, tap general, tap software updates. If a new update is available, tap update now. Allow the installation to finish. Apple frequently releases bug fixes that address charging problems caused by previous software updates. That's how you can fix the iPhone not charging problem after updating to iOS 26 latest updates. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share with your friends who are facing the same, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.